Alright, health buffs. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of mustard seeds. Ever wondered where these tiny powerhouses come from? Let's unlock the secrets of mustard seeds, their rich history, amazing health benefits, and some delicious recipes you can whip up at home. So, mustard seeds. Tiny but mighty. These seeds come from the mustard plant, which belongs to the Brassica family. The origins of mustard seeds date back to ancient civilizations, like the Greeks and Romans, who used them for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Imagine that. These seeds have been spicing up dishes for thousands of years. Now, let's talk history. Mustard seeds were even mentioned in ancient Sanskrit texts and the Bible. The Romans were the ones who introduced mustard seeds to the rest of Europe, turning them into the condiment we all know and love today. Mustard. From the fancy Dijon in France to the yellow mustard we love on hot dogs, it all started with these tiny seeds. But mustard seeds aren't just about taste. They're packed with health benefits too. Rich in antioxidants, they help combat inflammation. They're a great source of vitamins like A, C, and K. Plus, they can boost your metabolism and aid digestion. Ever heard of mustard plasters? It's an old home remedy for muscle pain and congestion. Just mix mustard seed powder with water, spread it on a cloth, and apply it to the affected area. Remember though, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. Let's get into the kitchen. Mustard seeds can be used in so many delicious dishes. You can toast them to release their nutty flavor, or grind them into a powder for a homemade spice mix. How about adding them to pickles for that extra zing? Or making your own mustard sauce? Just blend mustard seeds with vinegar, water, and a touch of honey. It's fantastic on sandwiches, salads, or as a marinade for meats. And here's a quick recipe for you. Mustard seed roasted veggies. Toss your favorite veggies with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a spoonful of mustard seeds. Roast them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. You'll have a delicious, crunchy side dish that's packed with flavor and health benefits. Before I wrap up, if you enjoyed learning about mustard seeds, hit that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Cravery in the Kitchen for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and keep exploring those amazing ingredients in your kitchen. See you next time.